April 18, 2021. Anyway, I got my blend door actuator. It's a motor control for your blend air door, which mixes your hot and cold air. And I got my switch here, so I'm checking it. I'm going to swing it. And it went. I'll swing it back. And it goes again. So I'm going to put it down in cold mode. I'm going to reach up in here and take it off and warm. I checked to see if my heat was back. I got my heat back. It's that little dude. That little dude right there. Now, when I pulled it out of there, plugged it in, checked it, it didn't do nothing. It wasn't working. So I tapped on it 2 or 3 times with that wrench right there. Didn't kill it, just rapped on it a couple times. And all of a sudden it starts working again. So I went in the house and I took it apart. I just took these 4 screws out, took this cover off, and smeared grease all over the gears. Lube up the gears real good again. And I'm going to put this back in there and try it and see if we can get our heat back. But yeah, it was not doing anything until I tapped on it with that wrench. Then it started working again. So I know I have an issue right here with this little motor. Well, hope this helps you out on your heat. This thing went from good heat to no heat instantly. Worked one day, next day checked it, no heat. And this thing was stuck in cold. And now that I got it working, I'm going to go ahead and test it, see if it's still going to work. And if I have the same issue again, or I may just go ahead and order a new part. I'm probably just going to put it back together. Truck's got 191,000 miles on it. It's had the intake done, it's had the distributor changed, it's had the radiator changed, new water pump, lots of stuff, new belt, new alternator. You see this keeps on ticking. So hopefully I'll get out of spending money on this. We'll give it a shot.